Learn SQLite in neovim. Episode 8. Limit and offset. Control how many rows you get back. Sometimes you only want the first few results, the top 3, the top 5. Limit controls how many rows are returned. Offset skips rows. Together they create pagination. Page 1, page 2, and so on. A country's database with 10 entries. Let's begin. We create limit offset.sql, a new dataset this time, countries. Insert mode, comments, and dot commands. Dot mode column, dot headers on. Create table countries, 5 columns. And name. Then continent as text. Population and area in square kilometers, both integer. Table defined. Ten countries, the most populated nations in the world. China and India, both over 1 billion people. United States, Indonesia, Pakistan. Nigeria, Brazil. Different continents represented. Bangladesh, Russia. Notice Russia has the largest area. Mexico. 10 countries inserted. Select star to see all 10 countries. Save and run. Ten countries with population and area. Now we limit the results. Limit 3. Order by population DESC. The top 3 most populated. Save and run. China, India, United States. Just the top 3. Limit cuts off the rest. Limit 5. Same query, but now the top 5. Save and run. Five countries. Change the number to get more or fewer results. Now pagination. Limit 5 gives us page 1, the first 5 rows. Save and run. Page 1. China through Pakistan. 5 countries. Limit 5. Offset 5. Skip the first 5, show the next 5. This is page 2. Save and run. Page 2. Nigeria through Mexico. The next 5 countries. Offset works with order B by 2. Skip the top 3 largest by area, show the next 3. Brazil, India, Mexico. Positions 4 through 6 by area. GG. Review all our limit and offset queries. Recap. 3 key takeaways. First, limit controls how many rows are returned. Limit 3 gives you 3 rows. Second, offset skips rows. Limit 5, offset 5 gives you page 2. Third, combine with order BY for top N queries. The top 3, the top 5. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more SQLite tutorials. Next episode. Like and pattern matching.